Welcome to Italy, a land rich in culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. Italy, a vivid palette of captivating impressions that has inspired countless hearts. From the minds of ancient philosophers, to the brushes of Renaissance artists, to the pens of modern-day poets, Italy's allure has been immortal, transcending the constraints of time and space. This nation with its enchanting beauty serves as a muse to all who venture within its borders. Each corner of Italy unfolds like a storybook, revealing a spectacle more dazzling than before. A land where history comes alive, whispering tales of glory and valor from every stone, every monument, every cobblestone street. Its heritage echoes loudly, telling stories of empires risen and fallen, of battles fought and won, of cultures merged and intertwined. Each region proudly displays its historical scars, reminders of a past that has shaped the present. Italy's historical significance is as vast as the azure Mediterranean waters that lap its shores. Known as the cradle of Western civilization, it has seen rise and fall of empires, the birth of the Renaissance, and the evolution of modern democracy. Each era has left its indelible mark, contributing to the rich tapestry that is Italian culture. This diverse culture is a kaleidoscope of influences, an intricate symphony composed over centuries. It is a melding of the ancient and modern, the traditional and the avant-garde. A culture woven with threads of many eras and influences, each strand contributing a unique color, a distinctive note, to a harmony that is quintessentially Italian. In the realm of the arts, Italy's contribution is unparalleled. From the majestic sculptures of Michelangelo to the timeless masterpieces of Leonardo da Vinci, Italy has been an incubator of creativity, nurturing talent that has forever changed the face of the world. As you traverse Italy, you will encounter its breathtaking landscapes. A captivating of nature's best, Italy is home to a diverse topography of rolling hills, rugged coasts, tranquil lakes, and towering mountains. Each landscape is a testament to nature's artistry, an enchanting canvas that changes with the passing of seasons. The vineyards of Tuscany, the cliffs of Amalfi Coast, the waters of Lake Como, the peaks of the Dolomites, each a piece of a jigsaw puzzle that forms the picture-perfect scenery of Italy. Underneath the endless Italian sky, the beauty of Italy is amplified. The sky, with its shifting hues from dawn till dusk, provides a backdrop that makes the landscapes come alive. The golden rays of the sun illuminate the vineyards, the moonlight casts a silvery glow on the lakes, the stars twinkle over the mountains, each spectacle a feast for the senses. And then there is the cuisine, a reflection of Italy's rich cultural diversity. A gastronomic journey through Italy ensures a riot of flavors, from the hearty rustic fare of Tuscany to the seafood delicacies of Sicily. Each dish is a culinary masterpiece, a symphony of flavors that sing song of its region's traditions and tastes. Italy is not merely a destination, it is a feeling. It is the warmth of the Mediterranean sun on your skin, the taste of a perfectly prepared pasta on your tongue, the sound of a gondolier's song echoing down a Venetian canal. It is a sensory explosion, a feast that goes beyond the physical. Italy promises an experience like no other, a journey of discovery, of enlightenment, of transformation. It invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty, to savor its delights, to lose yourself in its charm. It is an invitation to experience life in its fullest, purest form. Now brace yourselves as we embark on an unforgettable journey across Italy's top 20 must-visit destinations. Starting our countdown at number 20, we have the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa. This is not just a tower, it's a milestone in architectural history, a testimony to the grandeur of a bygone era. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, originally meant to be a vertical structure, started leaning during its construction due to the soft ground underneath. The construction of the tower started in August 1173 and continued for about 200 years due to the onset of a series of wars. Isn't it fascinating to know that the construction of this architectural marvel spanned several centuries? It's like the tower was being built in sync with the evolving history of Italy. Each stone of the tower has a story to tell, a story of resilience and determination. This beloved monument, standing at 56.67 meters from the lowest side and 55.86 meters from the highest side, is the third oldest structure in the city's cathedral square. The tower's tilt, initially projected at 5.5 degrees, has now been corrected to 3.97 degrees after several consolidation efforts. Maintaining its iconic leaning tower is not just an object of historical significance, it's a living, breathing part of Italy's cultural and architectural heritage. The Leaning Tower is a proud symbol of Italian craftsmanship. Its 7-story freestanding campanile, known for its 8 distinctive stories of Romanesque architecture, houses 7 bells representing the 7 musical notes of a major scale. Isn't it wonderful how the architecture of the tower is intertwined with the beautiful concept of music? Over the years, the Leaning Tower of Pisa has inspired other structures worldwide. Leaving its imprint on the human imagination, it has been drawn, painted, photographed, and even digitally reconstructed in a plethora of ways. The tower is not just a tourist attraction, but also a source of inspiration for architects, historians, and artists alike. Furthermore, the Leaning Tower of Pisa has been the subject of many studies and researches. Scientists have been drawn to the structure, eager to understand the physics behind its lean. It also served as the backdrop to Galileo's famous gravity experiment, making it an integral part of scientific history. The tower, with its stunning white marble facade, beautifully contrasts with the lush green lawn surrounding it. The visual spectacle of the Leaning Tower standing with undeniable grace against the clear Italian sky is nothing short of breathtaking. Visiting the Leaning Tower of Pisa is like stepping a time machine. As you ascend the spiraling staircase, you can feel the echoes of the past resonating through the centuries-old walls. Every step takes you further into history, bringing you closer to the heart of Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is not just an architectural marvel, but also a symbol of the human spirit. It showcases the indomitable will of the people who built it, who, despite numerous challenges, made sure that the tower stands tall and proud, albeit with a unique lean. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, a testament to architectural resilience, a sight you simply can't miss. Moving forward to number 19, we journey into the breathtaking realm of antiquity, to the ancient city of Pompeii, nestled in the shadows of the formidable Mount Vesuvius. This city, once densely populated and pulsating with the effervescence of everyday Roman life, is now an eloquent ode to silence, a monument to the destructive power of Mother Nature, and to the transitory nature of human existence. Steeped in the grandeur of the past, Pompeii was a thriving metropolis, a bustling hub of commerce, culture, tradition. Its streets echoed with the cacophony of merchants hawking their wares, the lively banter of townsfolk, the laughter of children at play, and the rhythmic footsteps of the patrician class, decked in their finest robes. The air was perfumed with the tantalizing aroma of food from local taverns, and the intoxicating scent of exotic spices and herbs that merchants brought from far-off lands. Yet, beneath this lively veneer of prosperity and vibrancy, Pompeii was a city waiting for its doom, a doom that would arrive in the form of a catastrophic volcanic eruption. The mighty Mount Vesuvius, usually a silent, imposing presence in the backdrop of the city's life, unleashed its fury with unparalleled ferocity, burying Pompeii under a thick blanket of volcanic ash and pumice. The city came to a standstill, a haunting tableau frozen in time. The bustling streets fell eerily silent, the laughter, the banter, the footfall, all were abruptly silenced, replaced by an oppressive stillness, a silence that spoke volumes of the cataclysm that had befallen the city. Today, the remnants of Pompeii are a poignant reminder of the city that once was. The cobbled streets, frozen in their last moments, echo the footsteps of a civilization that is no more. The homes, once filled with the laughter and warmth of family life, now stand empty and desolate, their frescoed walls whispering tales of a bygone era. The artifacts, painstakingly preserved under layers of volcanic ash, tell a story of a civilization in full bloom, abruptly silenced. The amphitheaters, the temples, the forums, and the bathhouses all speak of a society steeped in culture, tradition, and the pursuit of knowledge and leisure. Pompeii is a tangible connection to our past, a hauntingly beautiful reminder of the delicate balance that exists between man and nature. It serves as a stark testament to the power of nature and the fragility of civilization. The city, in its desolation, speaks volumes of the impermanence of human existence, the fleeting nature of prosperity, and the ever-present shadow of disaster. The ruins of Pompeii, preserved and immortalized by the same force that destroyed it, offer us a unique glimpse into the lives of its inhabitants over 2,000 years ago. Each stone, each artifact, each silent street is a chapter in the saga of a civilization that once thrived, lived, and loved, only to be abruptly silenced by the fury of Vesuvius. This then is Pompeii, a hauntingly beautiful reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of civilization. As we conclude our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the awe-inspiring places we've had the pleasure of discovering. Remember the unique charm of the Italian locales we've visited, each with its own quintessential essence etched in history. Our journey took us to miraculous architectural marvels like the gravity-defying Leaning Tower of Pisa, a remarkable testament to the architectural prowess of medieval engineers. Its distinctive tilt, an accidental result of an unstable foundation, poised against the laws of physics, is a sight that never fails to induce a sense of awe and wonder. We then ventured on to the hauntingly beautiful ruins of Pompeii. Buried under the ash of Mount Vesuvius, this ancient city is a poignant reminder of the unpredictability of life. Frozen in time, the city offers a window into the lives of its erstwhile residents, forever etched in the annals of history. It gives us a humbling perspective of the eternal dance between life and death, of civilizations rising and falling, each leaving behind a part of itself for posterity. Italy's rich tapestry of history and culture extends beyond its famous landmarks. We traversed numerous cobblestone streets, each resonating with innumerable tales of the past. From bustling marketplaces echoing with chatter to quaint alleyways exuding a serene calm, each pavement echoes the ebbs and flows of life. These streets have been silent witnesses to generations of Italians living, loving, and leaving their indelible marks behind. Every corner we turned unveiled architectural masterpieces, symbols of Italy's glorious past. From the grandeur of Roman Colosseum to the intricate beauty of Duomo, each structure stood as a testament to Italy's rich artistic heritage. And this is not to mention the lesser-known gems hidden away in lesser-trodden paths, each waiting to tell their own stories to the discerning traveler. No journey through Italy can be complete without savoring the tantalizing flavors of Italian cuisine. From the rustic simplicity of a margherita pizza to the intricate flavors of osso buco, each dish is an adventure in itself. The aroma of fresh basil, the crunch of a perfectly baked pizza crust, the comforting warmth of a hearty pasta dish. Each experience is an indulgence that tantalizes the senses and satiates the soul. The 20 places we've explored together barely touch the surface of this vibrant country. Each region, each city, each corner of Italy holds a unique diversity of experiences that capture the heart and ignite the imagination. From the sun-soaked beaches of Sicily, where the Mediterranean sun blesses the sand with its golden hues, to the snowy peaks of the Dolomites, where the world seems to breathe in hushed awe under a pristine white blanket, the landscapes of Italy are as varied as they are breathtaking. Italy isn't just about the places, it's also about the people. The warm-hearted folks who welcome you with open arms, their genuine smiles, a universal language of love and hospitality. Their stories, their laughter, their traditions, and their dreams all contribute to the vibrant tapestry that is Italy. This entire voyage has unveiled the myriad shades of Italy, a land steeped in history, bursting with life, and brimming with undiscovered wonders. It's not just a place on the map, but a symphony of experiences, a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. The magic of Italy lies in its ability to surprise and enchant you time and again. It's a journey that leaves you yearning for more, a thirst that can only be quenched by returning to this land of timeless beauty and endless discovery. So pack your bags and start planning your Italian adventure today. Each sojourn promises to be an unforgettable chapter in the grand book of your life's experiences. Each take is a step closer to discovering the soul of a civilization that has time and again enriched the world with its contributions. Italy awaits you with open arms, ready to embrace you into its vibrant embrace and make you a part of its grand saga. Are you ready?